What kind of tattoos did you get today?
I got a tattoo of my dog. His name is Benji and he passed away in April, but I love him a lot.
Is there any meaning behind your tattoo?
Yeah, I loved him a lot. I felt like he was my soul dog and I just wanted him with me.
How long did it take?
It took around 4 hours.
Do you like it?
I love it. It's amazing.